Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Are you finding yourself slouching more and more throughout your workday? It's a common issue, especially for those of us spending long hours sitting at a desk. But don't worry today, I'm sharing a super effective 3-minute mobility routine designed to improve your posture and make sitting more comfortable. Ready to fix your posture in just a few minutes? Let's dive in. And if you're looking to upgrade your home workouts with the best gear, check the description for my top picks. You'll find links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and a body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic, why your posture matters. Sitting for extended periods can lead to poor posture, which in turn causes back pain, neck stiffness, and even fatigue. A simple mobility routine can help counteract these effects by stretching tight muscles and strengthening those that support proper alignment. Investing just 3 minutes a day can lead to significant improvements in your comfort and posture. The 3-minute mobility routine for better sitting. Here's a quick and easy routine you can do to enhance your posture and feel more comfortable while sitting. 1. Neck stretches 30 seconds. How to do it: sit up straight in your chair. Gently tilt your head towards one shoulder, holding for 15 seconds, switch sides. Benefits: eases neck tension and helps align your head with your spine. 2. Shoulder shrugs 30 seconds. How to do it: sit or stand tall. Lift your shoulders towards your ears, hold for a second, then release them down. Repeat. Benefits: relieves shoulder tension and promotes better shoulder positioning. 3. Seated spinal twist 30 seconds. How to do it: sit upright in your chair. Place your right hand on the back of the chair and twist your torso to the right. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch sides. Benefits: enhances spinal flexibility and helps reduce stiffness from prolonged sitting. 4. Seated forward bend 30 seconds. How to do it: while seated, extend your legs out in front of you and reach forward towards your toes. Hold the stretch and breathe deeply. Benefits: stretches the hamstrings and lower back, counteracting tightness from sitting. 5. Hip flexor stretch 30 seconds. Benefits: opens up tight hip flexors, which are often shortened from sitting. Conclusion: and that's it, just 3 minutes a day to improve your posture and make sitting more comfortable. Incorporate these exercises into your routine, and you'll start feeling the difference in no time. Before you go, remember that your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.